Hey everyone, welcome. In today's video, we are going to help you to learn about influencer marketing, why influencer marketing works better than traditional marketing, and what are the different types of influencer marketing and how you can create a great influencer marketing strategy. Let's jump right into the video. Influencer marketing is been in our life since the day we have started making choices. How? The first time you tried to buy a phone, did you remember who gave you the recommendation? Your techie friend. You asked your techie friend that what phone is the best available today and tried to get suggestions from him and then made a decision. He influenced your choice with his recommendation. Did you remember the first time you're trying to hit the gym? You called up your gym freak friend and asked him for recommendation, what workout should you take, which gym should you choose, and what supplements do you buy. All these decisions were recommended by the person who has been in the gym, who is doing training for a long run, and he is influencing your choices up there. So this is what influencer marketing is. Someone who is an industry expert or knows or have done the same thing for a long time, and you know by looking at him that yes, this person can give me right suggestions, right recommendation, and their recommendations helps you to make choices or influences your decision making. This is what influencer marketing is. And in today's world, those influencers are those content creators available in different platforms. Now, how they're influencing your choice? Suppose you wanted to buy a phone and you want a recommendation. Who do you go to? You go to YouTube, you search for best phones under this, best phone under that, or best phone available in the market, and a videos pops up. And there will be a lot of creators giving you suggestions of those phone. Suppose let's take an example of a creator MKBHD, who is the biggest tech YouTuber today on YouTube, has said good things about iPhone 13 and said that iPhone 13 is a much better choice than going for Samsung S21. Who do you go with? You will obviously go with iPhone 13 rather than going with Samsung S21 because it is testified and because it has the trust of a tech influencer who has been doing this for a long time. This is how influencer marketing works. Now, what are the types of influencer marketing are there? There are three types of influencer marketing. Number one, the barter system. On the barter system, you send your products to the influencer for review and use. They review it, they use it, and gives you recommendation for those products. Number two is affiliate marketing system. In the affiliate marketing system, you assign a unique link or code to those particular influencer, and they use that code or those links to promote your products, and every time they bring up a sale or they generate a lead, you give them a certain amount of commissions for that. Number three is fee system. In the fee system, you identify influencers with the right target audience and give them upfront fees to promote your product and let the product engage with your audience and increase the brand advocacy and brand reach and brand awareness. This is what happens in fee structure model. Now let's understand how to craft a great influencer marketing strategy. Number one, define the goal of your campaign. See what your campaign wants to do. If it brand awareness, then you should go with large audience influencers who have a similar audience that relates to your target audience, and they can promote your product and bring more eyeballs. But if you want to engage and bring more sales in, then you should go with micro influencers who have a decent amount of following and has a better engagement, trust and connect with their audience, as they are constantly engaging with a small group of audience, and they will be much cheaper in comparison to those big influencers, and they will be much more better ROI providers to you and giving you much more better leads and much better sales ratio. These are the things that you should keep in mind while defining your goal. Number two, understanding the influencer's target audience. See, if you are promoting a fashion product and you are collaborating with MKBHD, who is a tech YouTuber, it doesn't make sense. But if you are a fashion product and collaborating with Kylie Jenner, it makes sense because Kylie Jenner has fashion oriented audience. So you need to understand that if that influencer has connect to your target audience or his audience is somewhat different to what is your target audience, Once you identify this thing, then your marketing campaign would be a huge success because you are directly showing up to the people who are in your target audience. Number 3, positioning the creative properly. If you try to make an ad or a proper hardcore promotional post with those influencers you are collaborating with, it will not make a lot of sense, because at that point of time people will skip your particular ad creative as they think it is a sales ad creative. But while on the other hand, if you try to blend it with the content that particular influencer produce, it will just bring great result, as it would look an informative content but it actually positions your product very nicely and pushes it for a sale. So this is how you should position your products to in a particular influencer marketing campaign. Thanks for listening till this point. I hope you learned something new. If you have further questions, just let us know. We'll be bringing you much detailed videos in the later part. So stick with us, subscribe, and stay tuned for the upcoming updates.